Yo! So we are in Canggu. There is the checkpoint. Let's check this out. So we just arrived to the Canggu, honey. Over here, just behind us, just literally 5 minutes ago was the big checkpoint of the police, and I don't know.
Masker.
You have to wear mask. But it's finished already, unfortunately.
Because it's raining.
Yeah,
so
it's going to be rain, so they just go home.
Yeah.
Today we are in Canggu. Let's see what's going on over here. It's quiet.
I'll show you behind the car police also. And Satpol PP.
The car is just coming, so they are, as you can see.
Police car. They just finished checking.
Yeah.
This is Canggu Live traffic.
By the way, here is the famous Canggu shortcut if you're gonna go by this road. Okay.
So we are in Rico's shop. As we see that sales here. Let's see if we found one pants for Damian that is really suitable for him. Look, we have sale. Because Damian mostly have a flowery pants. So now it's a raining season, so we decided to buy one which is waterproof for him. Whoa, look at you.
Nice, yeah.
This is look good.
But 36, I'm more fat than I was expecting, you know. Previously 32, now 36. This is Bali life. Soon will be 40 and no size for me. Okay, I take this one, nice. Winnie was as excited as she forgot the umbrella. Annie, you forgot umbrella?
I love the umbrella. Alright.
Let's have a lunch, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so we are in Canggu, like I said already, but we are heading to the Ush, probably having a lunch. Let's see how is it. Unfortunately the promo is already finished. I mean 9 AM 3 PM, but we will see how's the things over here. Yes, honey? They have a nice bikes, by the way.
Halo.
Hello.
Selamat sore. Ya. Silakan. Selamat sore.
Thank you. Perfect. I go to the shop, have a look, yeah? So, this is the shop. As you can see, I've been here many times actually already on the vlog, but it's always good to show one more time, right? It's actually very quiet today. And they have a Deus skateboard. Okay, lunch time. You say?
Yeah.
Where you wanna sit?
Alright, after shopping, now we decided to have a pizza. Ooh, they have a nice promo. Look at this one. 50k, one big pizza with a beer. Wow, 50k. I like promo.
promo. They also have over here backyard area when it's after sunset usually, and during the normal time it's very busy here, but currently at this moment it's very quiet, but it's nice place. Never show you actually at the back side. This is the bar. Alright, pizza arrived.
Oh, so one big size of pizza with a soft drink or beer costs you 50k.
Here we go. 100 for 2 pizzas and Coke. So as you can see, there is the 2 cars. There are some officers here, and they're also sitting. Not so many cars. Bit rainy. What I can do? Let's go to the beach, yeah? Wavy little bit, but it's okay. Oh. All right. Whoa, this is new. Also, it's very quiet, no warungs. Yes, honey?
Yeah. I didn't think that the Banjar or Pecalang here let them to open the warungs. I mean, like on the beach.
Yeah, I think so. They are not allowed to have the warungs on the beach.
I don't know, but because there is no one open, and
Yeah.
it is 5 p.m. Normally, like lots of people on the beach.
Yeah, I know its weather is not so good, and anyway, but usually the weather, it doesn't matter here. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
Usually still just loads of people.
Surfers,
But
chicks.
the girls, the most important, and also a little bit of the
Rubbish.
but that's nothing new. And that's the ocean condition. Oh, shit. Yeah, so in general conditions, as you can see, the beach is super quiet actually. Only few people walking around, like, you know, but no party, no beers on the beach. We are going into the Finns Beach Club area because, well, it's good to have some exercises after the pizza, right, Sam? Okay, well, we'll see. What's that? So usually normally over here is a lot of warungs, right?
Warung and surf school board rental, but I think that most of them are closed, maybe due to the policy from the Banjars or Pecalang, because yeah, along this in Eco Beach no one is open, nothing is open actually.
Yeah, and also the patrol and everything, so yeah, that's gonna be probably for the next 2 weeks till 25, if they not gonna extend this for more. But definitely it's less people than usual. But some surfer here.
Would you like to surf?
Oh, I cannot swim.
I can help you. I can teach you.
But not in the ocean, okay? Alright, we changed actually mind. We are already a little bit tired and gonna be rainy probably, so
Yeah.
it's time to go home. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.
And see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya, take care.